been a while. Since then, time has gone by. I've streamed daily for a consecutive amount of weekdays. During that time period, I've built up plenty of screen time and a deeper understanding of my trading intuition, of course. So in today's video, I'll be giving you guys a brief update as to what has been going on since then. So I'll be updating you guys about the streaming, funded challenges, and the future, of course, of just trading and just the channel in general. So let's do that. So I know I said I'll be streaming daily for the rest of the year, but I decided that streaming has been occupying my time heavily and it's reflecting on my other tasks when time is needed. I will be doing 13 more live streams and that will end off the year. They will be the next 13 daily streams. Then I'll be focusing on my Discord community. So make sure to join. It's completely free and you will find plenty of insight. And if you have any questions, majority of the time, your answers will be answered there. So if I give you a brief overview as to my streams, of course, the last time we uploaded was a month ago, 2 months ago. So it's like every other month we were uploading, and around this time period I didn't have much screen time, so I went on a journey and I decided to live stream. You can just see it clear as day. We live streamed for a good amount for November and towards the middle of October. So since then I built up plenty of screen time, 2-hour streams. I'll be doing 13 more daily streams, basically like 2 hours to an hour. I'll try to minimize it to 2 hours, maximize it to 3 hours, just be time efficient for me for my day and my daily task. So yeah, no, just streaming in general has helped me find my model, built up screen time, the trade duration, and then just building that mental fortitude of seeing those candles print, reading the order flow through PD arrays, of course, or ICT concepts, and just having a deeper understanding of price and the connection between price and, of course, time. Time is more important for sure. So I haven't talked much about the funded accounts or shown anything on the streams. I have been trying to reflect more on my trades and the mental patterns I have before I even enter the trade. I am doing my best to reach the level of 6 figures funded by the end of the year. At this rate, it would seem unlikely, but I have faith and I will continue to strive on achieving that goal. So the thing about the funded accounts is, I've been trying to diversify myself into other assets. And so, it's been more of a slow growth for that, but I still try to pay mind to it and contribute as much as I can to the accounts, of course, and just keep the objective in the back of my mind. All right, so this is the 10K account, and I can just tell you guys why we're pretty much down, and I feel like this is more of a break even to me than just, but I'll still count it as a down, because it has been very up and down, I won't lie, but it's been more just around 1%. We haven't gone too far. The only time is before the 60th number of 60 trades. So yeah, all right, so here's the 15K account, and you can see we're doing a lot better on the 15K account than the 10K account. Main reason why it's pretty clear as day, because the number of trades versus the number of trades on the other one, that can reflect a lot, and around 1.5% on this one. The other one we're down 1.3, so pretty simple and sweet. There has been progression on the 15K more than the 10K, again due to the fact that there has been more trades taken on the 10K, and I am reflecting on trading less, because whenever you trade more you tend to lose, and it's just a proven fact. The odds are against you sometimes, or you're not in the best mental state, or you just don't have enough conviction, and sometimes taking too many trades is detrimental to your health, to your trading health in general, your mental health, I should say. We've been on these challenges for a long time, and it's due to the risk factor, in my opinion, and the mental blockades I've encountered along the way. So some days I'll be fearful of the risk, so I would cut a break even. Then at times I would enter with as little risk as possible, even though it would be an A+ setup and I had the conviction, but I just couldn't accept, or I couldn't build myself up to take that high risk trade, or just a good amount of risk. 1% would have been good enough, but I enter with as little as possible. So it's been more of a mental battle than anything for right now. And I think that's kind of why I've been trying to build up that screen time, because I just knew I didn't have enough screen time. I didn't have enough, trading experience, or just looking at the market, watching these candles print, and, having the patience. I've been building on that, and I've just been dwelling upon that very well. Now it's more of a mental game for now, and I do feel myself, as a progression. As we watch these, old live streams, and eventually 13 more, we're going to see the progression. I will see the progression, and I will reflect upon that whenever the year comes to an end. So I know streaming will come to an end, but the videos will be starting to be uploaded again. And this time, I mean, the documentation videos from my day-to-day basis, how I live, how I operate, what I do, what books I'm reading, how I'm journaling, how I journal my trades, how I record my videos, how I stream, what I do before I go into the stream, what I prepare myself to do, before I enter a trade, on a day-to-day basis, how I operate, what I'm thinking, what I'm feeling, and just my habits, I guess. And just showing you guys that is very important, and all the new books I got, just how I record videos here, my new style, I guess, and what I'm learning, the community I'm building, and just showing you guys all that. I think that would be a very beneficial factor. And just how a trader operates on a day-to-day basis and what they're thinking, what they're feeling, and the growth. I think that would be the most beneficial right there, seeing the growth and eventually using it to your advantage and understanding how a trader grows and seeing that growth for yourself firsthand. So until then, I'll catch you later. Hopefully you guys have a good day. Enjoy the rest of your day.